Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show you how you can integrate Slack with Google Sheets. So the first thing that you want to do is just click on the link down below in the description. When you're going to do it, you'll get right here to make.com. Make.com is an amazing tool that you can use for integrating various applications. And when you're gonna sign up, you're gonna be in your organization and you want to click on scenarios. Then you're gonna go to top right, create a new scenario, and then click plus here. So you want to search for Slack. Okay, choose it. And then let's say when I'm going to create a message, and you have to connect with your account here. So public channel, and I'm going to shoot right here. So which public channel you want, you will click OK. I want it to go to another module, to Google Sheets. Okay, and I'm going to add a row, right? So I already connected my account here, so you have to add your account. And you can choose a method, choose a drive, and then you have to choose a file here. Sheet name, form responses. And then you have the values. And what you want to do is when you're gonna have these are the values that I have, and let's say for timestamp it's going to be a channel or timestamp. Then for a name, this is a name, it's going to be a message or text. So it'll automatically connect with the Slack with the Google Sheets. Then you have to test it out and press OK here. Then with the Slack you press OK, and you can run it once. We see that there was error here. So if I'm going to have the end of the message here, it should work. And then you can have schedule settings every 15 minutes and save it. You can always chat with the customer support if you can have any questions. And you can always paste the URL of your scenario, so they're going to help you how to do that. And that's pretty much it. So thank you very much. You can always go also to templates and right here, let's say Google Sheets, and find plenty of integrations here.